Hey everyone, today you're going to learn how to use an array modifier in Blender. To apply it, first of all you select your object, go to the modifiers tab here and search for it for array. And you have different modes: fixed count, fixed length, or fixed curve. Fixed count, you have a number of your objects that want to be in the repetition in the array. It's the same with length, but instead of a number of copies, it's length. And here in the relative offset you can play with the different offsets in different planes, in the X, Y, and Z, sorry. But the most interesting thing here is the fit curve, where you can then add an array, and a curve modifier. For example, here we can add a circle. Let's make it bigger, okay. And here we can select the curve here and also here, and we would have this object. If we make bigger the offset, we can make this pattern that is really useful in a lot of contractions. So that would be the tutorial. I hope this has helped you out on your project or future projects, and thank you for watching.